In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay out commissions to your wallets. So what we're going to do is actually navigate over to the network area over here on the left-hand side. And you'll see that I have this commission payout ready and waiting. So I did some stuff behind the scenes to make sure that this was ready to go for this video. If you want to learn more about the network area, please do go and check out the network training playlists. There you will learn a lot more about this than I'm going to go to in this video. So here we have our payout, and if we click into this payout file, you'll see that we have this commission that is being paid to Betty White for a sale that she made to someone. And if we click on that, you'll get all of the information about this commission, where it came from, the percentage she is being paid out, the amount, and all of that information that we need there. So we can go ahead and close this. And when we want to pay out our commissions, what we are going to do is then finalize the cycle. And we're going to get this warning, you're about to finalize this cycle. And I'm going to confirm that I have reviewed my commissions and that I understand that once I proceed, I won't be able to undo this action. And then I'm going to hit confirm. And you'll see that once the cycle has been finalized, the status will change to unpaid. And then to pay this to wallets, all you're going to do is click on the three dots over here on the right-hand side, and you're going to click pay to wallet. And it's going to confirm that you want to pay these commissions to the wallet. We're going to say pay $50 to the wallet. The status will then change to paid. And then you'll see when we navigate over here to wallets on the bottom left-hand side. And then when we click into Betty's wallet over here, you'll see that there has been a new deposit of $50, and it is her commission deposit. So that is how you can pay out commissions to your users' wallets within the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to manage staff permissions when it comes to the wallets, so that not everyone in your team is able to simply withdraw and deposit money into these accounts.